my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start GK Unit 3, Young Scientist, Chapter number 15, The Human Body. Human body is like a machine. The brain is like a computer which can do many things. Our body can think, plan, and build other machines. Okay, so fill in the blanks with the clues from the box. Number 1. There are 2 lakh hot and cold receptors in your skin plus 5 lakh touch and pressure receptors and nearly 3 million pain receptors. About 3 million. Number 2. Millions of nerves signals enter your brain every dash second of your life. Every single second. Number 3. Skin is 6 millimeter thick on the soles of your feet and is only dash thick on your eyelids. It is 0.5 mm. Number 4. Dash think that they will soon be able to do head transplant. Surgeons. 5. Red blood cells are made mainly of a red portion called hemoglobin. Number 6. Lack of sleep can be dangerous. A newborn baby needs dash hours sleep a day, an adult needs 7 to 8 hours. 18 to 30. Number 7. Muscles make up over dash of your body's entire weight. Make up over 40%. Number 8. The bones of ribs contains red marrow. Red marrow and are of one of the body's major blood cell factions. Number 9. Blood is made up of red cells, white cells and platelets all carried in a liquid called. So it is red cells, white cells and platelets all carried in a liquid called plasma. Number 10. Girls' brains weigh 2.5% of their body weight and average while boys' brains weigh, it is 2%. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 60, Nuclear Energy. Nuclear fission is the fragmentation of a large nucleus into 2 smaller nuclei and the liberation of a large amount of energy. In 1938, the German scientists Otto Hahn and Fritz Stresemann observed that when uranium was bombarded with slow neutrons to smaller pronuclei were obtained. Along with a tremendous amount of heat, the splitting of uranium was called nuclear fission. The energy produced by nuclear fission or nuclear fusion is called nuclear energy. In nuclear reactions, there is a loss of mass. This mass is converted into energy which can be used for various peaceful purposes. Types of nuclear fission. Controlled nuclear fission carried out in nuclear reactors in which the rate of the fission reaction is controlled and energy produced can be used for constructive purpose. Uncontrolled nuclear fission in an atom bomb. Uncontrolled fission takes place, a very large amount of heat is produced and the process continues until the entire fissionable material is exhausted. Nuclear reaction. A nuclear reaction is one in which a nucleus is bombarded with an elementary particle like neutrons, protons, etc., or with another nucleus to produce other products in a very short time span. The first nuclear reaction was discovered by Rutherford in 1919 when he bombarded nitrogen with alpha particles. Nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is a nuclear reaction in which lighter nuclei fuse to form a nucleus of greater mass. In this reaction, an enormous amount of heat is produced by carrying out nuclear fusion under control conditions. A large amount of energy could be made available for useful purposes. Nuclear waste. Fission turns the nuclear fuel into highly radioactive waste material. This gives off radiation which can be extremely harmful to living things, especially if any of the waste gets into their bodies through food, air, or water. Safe disposal of nuclear waste is a major challenge. So, everyone, multiple choice questions, tick right the correct option. Number 1. Which gas is obtained during the processing of coal? Coal gas. Number 2. The gas associated with global warming is option D, CO2. Number 3. Which is an almost pure form of carbon? Option A, coke. Number 4. Atomic weight of uranium is option B, 238. Number 5. The major constituent of air is option B, nitrogen. Number 6. Which of the following gases is used in cigarette and lighters? Option hai butane. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 17. Physiological terms. Write the following terms. Number 1. It is the secretion of the liver that is realized into the duodenum. It helps the digestion, absorption, and exertion. It is bile. Artia bile. Number 2. These are two lower chambers of the heart from which the blood flows out through the arteries. Ventricles. Number 3. It is the chief and largest part of the brain which occupies its upper and frontal 2/3 of entire brain, covering all other parts of the brain. It is also the center of intelligence. Cerebrum. Number 4. It is the transparent fluid in the posterior chamber of the eye. ये है vitreous humor. Fine. These are the blood vessels which carry blood back to heart from different parts of the body. Veins. 6. It is the pear-shaped pouch below the liver. It stores bile which helps in the digestion of fats. It is gallbladder. 7. It is a long yellowish gland across the posterior wall of the abdomen, secreting juices which digest proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Pancreas. 8. These are two upper chambers of the heart into which the blood comes from the veins. Ventricles. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 18, Gadgets and Gizmos. Identify these modern gadgets. Use the pictures given as clue. 1. This portable media player was designed and launched by Apple in 2001. In this compact gadget, you can upload and play hours of music, videos, movies, and games. So I will repeat. This portable media player was designed and launched by Apple in 2001. In this compact gadget, you can upload and play hours of music, videos, movies, and games. iPod. Number 2. This gadget is worn on the wrist. It not only shows time but also track health, fitness, and connect to smartwatch. After Apple released this sleek phone in 2007, Time magazine called it the invention of the year. A touch screen with a virtual keyboard is one of the many interesting features of this phone, iPhone. 4. With this gadget, you will never get lost. While driving, it uses signals from satellites to find the location of a vehicle and helps in navigation through interactive maps. It is GPS navigator. Number 5. This is a method of connecting a number of electronic devices such as computers, printers, mobile phones wirelessly by using a small cheap radio chip, Bluetooth. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 19, Computer World. Internet. The internet is a worldwide network of computers. It connects people, organizations, and businesses across the globe. The World Wide Web, yani WWW, is a large collection of websites that are linked together. Through the internet, we can send emails, chat, watch videos, listen to music, and play games. It also helps us to read news, search for information, and study online. Schools, shops, offices, and industries use the internet for their work. Today, the internet has become an important part of our daily life. Okay? So, match the columns to make appropriate pairs. So, let me start. Number 1, antivirus. Norton. Option F. Chatting, WhatsApp, music and video, YouTube, error message, pick timeout. Option H. Email, Gmail. Option A. Instant messenger, Google. Option C. Access of information, Satyam Online. Unzipping, WinZip. Option E. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 20, Electricity. Electricity is a form of energy produced by the movement of very tiny particles called electrons, negative, and protons, positive. Electric current. It is the rate of flow of an electric charge. It flows from positive to negative. Batteries supply direct current DC and the main supply alternating current AC. So some devices like radios and TV require DC, which can be made from AC using a rectifier. Fuse wire. A fuse is a wire made of a material that melts easily. If it is inserted in an electric circuit, it will not allow access electricity to flow throughout it. When current exceeds its limit, the fuse wire gets heated, melts, and breaks the circuit. Magnetic effect of electricity. When electricity flows through a coil of wire, it produces a magnetic effect. An iron or steel rod kept inside the coil becomes a magnet. So, this happens because electricity produces a magnetic field. Magnet. It is a substance which has the property of attracting pieces of iron, cobalt, and nickel. When freely suspended, it aligns itself in geographical north and south direction. These ends are called magnetic poles. If a magnet is broken, each piece becomes a new magnet. Two poles of the magnet have equal strength. Static electricity. Static current is the electricity produced by friction or rubbing between two dissimilar objects. Depending on the nature of the objects, one object becomes a positively charged and the other negatively charged. For example, when a glass rod is rubber, electrons from the rod are transferred to the silk cloth. So thus, by losing electrons, the glass rod becomes positively charged, and by gaining the number of electrons, the silk acquires an equal negative charge. So similarly, by rubbing an ebonite rod on hair, static electricity is produced which attracts small pieces of paper. So answer the following question with clues from the help box. Number 1. An instrument that measures an electric charge. Voltmeter. 2. An electric charge that builds up in one place, such as a storm cloud. Static charge. Invisible waves of energy caused by electromagnetic radiation. X-rays. 4. The path around which electricity flows. Circuit. 5. Generators that produce alternating current. Alternators. 6. Most of the electricity used in homes and factories is produced by these devices in which coils of wires spin rapidly in a magnetic field, or generators. Seven. An electrical charge that flows from one place to another. Current. Number 8. The source of an electrical current in which a chemical reaction takes place. Cell. 9. A form of magnetism produced by electricity. It is electromagnetism. 10. Electricity is produced by the movement of these tiny particles found in atoms of matter. Electrons. 11. Materials through which an electrical charge can flow. Conductor. 12. Electromagnetic waves that have the lowest energy and are used to transmit radio and television programs. Radio waves. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 21, Sky High. Look at the pictures, read the statements and fill in the letters to complete the words related to our universe. Number 1. An asteroid. Asteroid is a small rocky object that revolves around the sun. Number 2. A pulsar is a rotating neutron star that emits beams of radiation. Number 3. The moon is the natural satellite that revolves around our planet. Number 4. A black hole is a large collapsed star with a field of gravity around it, which is so strong that neither light nor matter can escape from it. Number 5. An eclipse takes place when the moon covers the sun by coming in front of it, or when the moon is hidden by the earth's shadow. Number 6. A galaxy is a collection of billions of stars that are held together by the force of gravity. Number 7. A comet is a ball of dust and ice that orbits the sun. It has two tails, one made of gas and the other of dust. Number 8. A meteor is a small particle produced by a comet orbiting the sun. Number 9. A supernova is a great violent explosion indicating the death of a massive star. Number 10 is light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 22. First aid is the help given to an injured person before a doctor comes. The most important thing is to stay calm. First aid for common cases: wounds, cuts or scratches. So wash the area with clean, lukewarm water. Apply an antiseptic cream or spray. Cover the wound with a clean bandage or sterile gauze. Okay. Next one is sprains or fractures. Put an ice pack on the affected area. If a bone is broken, support it with a splint or a sling. Nose bleeds. Make the patient sit upright. Press the bleeding side of the nose firmly. Apply an ice pack on the nose. Tell the patient not to blow their nose. Mild electric shock. Switch off the main power immediately. Move the person away from the electrical device. Keep the patient warm until the doctor arrives. Minor burns. Wash the burnt area under running water or apply ice on the burnt area. Apply an ointment like Vernol on the affected part. One can also apply a paste of baking soda and water. Okay, so dear students, the whole chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you in the next class. Thank you everyone.